Unedited MOSFET, nicely blown. So we'll see if we can get that off the board. This soldering iron is stupid hot. It's about 360 degrees. There's one pin gone. Then small pair of pliers, just heat the tab. There's a big plate of solder under this. There we go. And it's off. The other pin was broken on that one. And now just get a little bit of flux on this just to clean it up. This is just liquid flux. Anything will do. Stick a little bit of extra solder on there and then clean it off. I don't know what mangled combination is on it. Bit of solder onto that pad, a little bit on that one as well, and that one. And we'll just heat all this up, smooth it out, and take the excess off. There's a little bit extra here as well. Might as well clean this one up. That's nice and out of focus. Happy days. Forgive me for fighting around a camera here, but I'll just stick. I'm also doing this on the floor on a cardboard box, just to make life more fun. So just get that roughly in position there. Make it a little easier. And again, we'll stick a bit of flux on it. Yes, my fluxing brush is still in work, so I am using my poking stick. I'm getting flux everywhere. Try and touch one of these legs. This really is very awkward to do with a camera in the way. One. Oh, horrible joint. Horrible joint. Way too much solder on it, but anyhow. That one's better. Now, I think these would normally be wave soldered on the back, but we can just flow some solder onto the tab at the front here. Like so. If you look on the back of the board, the solder pad's there, so it's flowed right through. Just heat that up. And that, albeit messy, is a MOSFET fitted.